Jabby beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Hope you guys had a fabulous week. Today we're going to be making like a zigzag jam journal pockets to store your tags. So easy, super addictive, very fun tutorial. Keep watching guys, and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Today I wanted to do, and I saw this tutorial from several crafters. I think one was from Scrapbooking with me, and then it popped up a couple of times on Pinterest. I know lots of people have done these, and I wanted to have a go myself. It's basically a booklet made of a zigzag tag pocket, but I'll explain you everything in a minute. So the starting point is a 12 by 12. Now I have no idea what you're going to see. I might zoom out a little bit. Yes, that's probably better. So 12 by 12, and you score it every 3 inches. So 3, 6, and 9. Okay, they will be our fold. Now this is too wide, I mean it's too long, so I'm going to, do you think we can get 2? How big it would be if I do? Yeah, let's chop it in half. So I'm gonna cut it as 6. Yeah, that was a good idea. That wasn't planned. So you get basically 4 sections, each section measured 3 by 6. Okay, so 3, 6, and 9. Now what I need you guys to do, you see on the first score line here on the 3, I need you to cut a diagonal line with your trimmer up to whatever you want in here. I'm not measuring because I'm not bothered. I'm just going to leave it roughly like, oops, sorry, like that, and I'm just gonna chop. Have I done a good job? No, because I have missed a little bit, so you've got to be very precise, otherwise the fold won't work. Okay, so bear with me. I'm just gonna try again. Oh, brilliant, perfect. Okay, and I'm going to do the same on this one. So from the first score line there, I'm just going to chop it, and I'm gonna make it a bit different. So yeah, I'm gonna chop it like that. So I'll show you in just a minute the different. Perfect. Okay, let me get rid of my trimmer. So you get 2 pieces like that, and I made one a bit wider because I want to show you what it looks like. So I guess it folds concertina away. So one like that, one like that, and one like that. Okay, so you get this concertina fold. Okay, and we do the same on this one. In fact, I probably burnish this line here. I'm filming this on the same day that I am filming my marble effect paper. This is why you probably see a lot of glitter and nail varnish on me. So that's the reason why. And we do the same on this side here. So it's Valley Mountains fold. This cardstock is rubbish because when you fold it, the paper creased. So anyway, so you get 2 of those. Can you see? Now they're slightly different because this one here is thinner than that one, so you get 2 slightly different looks. And what you do guys, basically, and I'm going to use my glue. So if we start from the first, so if open it back up, get my glue out. So we're going to glue this side on the first score line. You just need to put a tiny bit of glue. You can use double side tape, which I would probably recommend, but I have been extremely lazy not getting up because it's on the other side of the room. So yeah, I've been a bit lazy. Just need a tiny bit of glue there. So bit of glue there and a bit of glue on that. So when you fold it back up, you will glue. So you've got one big pocket there. So that's a very big pocket. Okay, so now we do exactly the same on this side. So we're going to put glue there and glue on the bottom. You can either sew it as well if you want to, but I'm not allowed to touch Jamie's sewing machine with paper because he said I'm going to break it, which realistically I probably would. So I don't blame him for not letting me use his sewing machine, because I am extremely clumsy. So, and last, we're going to do the same. So on this score line there and on the bottom. I always seen it and I always kind of like thought, don't know if it's going to work. I don't know if it's going to work. I don't know if it's very me, but it's actually quite fun. It's quite therapeutic as well because it's just the same thing all over. Okay, so basically this is how you make a pocket. Now I'm going to leave this for a minute. So you end up with one big pocket on the top. See if I put my bone fold, it won't go. One big pocket there, one big pocket there. And also if you glue this on your journal, you put glue in there, stick it, and you've got the fifth pocket on the top there. So it's completely up to you. So what I'm going to do now with this one, because I only wanted to see what it looks like before I decorate it, I'm going to use my Preacher's Postcards digital paper. This kit has got 7 pages full of postcards. So first of all, we're going to use some of those postcards as ephemera to put it inside, but I'm going to use some of these pictures from the front of the postcards in there. These are original postcards that I basically hunted when I was going around charity shops, and some of them actually from antique markets as well. So I scanned it front to back. So this is the front of that. They are original ephemera from the so this is dated 57. You've got some dated 1929. So some are very, very old. May 63. This one, 6th of July 57, 61. These pages here, which is 7 pages in total, this kit is part of my 99p sale section because I have this kit for a very long time. So it's going to be discontinued at the end of the month. So if you want to buy it for 99p, buy it now because it'll disappear on the 31st of August. This is 1939. The reason why I'm discontinuing some of my papers because they're very old, and I know a lot of you have got these papers, and I want to do something a bit different with this postcard. And then you got hold on, before I show you that, another page with oh, this is 1912. Don't say. Then you got one last page with some ephemera there, and then a gorgeous sailor or captain. Looks like a captain. So yeah, I need to whisper just in case Jamie listened to me, but he's a handsome little fella there. But yeah, don't say that loud so your husbands don't hear you or your partners don't hear you. So yeah, we got a bonus cheeky handsome captain at the end. So yeah, so you get lots of lots of postcards. So what we're going to do, I'm going to use some of them as ephemera, but I want to decorate this. So what I'm thinking to do, I'm going to glue them on top, front and back, and we will see what it looks like. Okay, so this is one. what I did, guys, I simply used the postcard and some of my, this is a Stampin' Up paper. It's called Dainty Flowers or Dainty Delight or Flowers Delight. It's this paper here with the flowers. It's a bit annoying because when I fold it, the flowers are upside down. Don't know if you can see it, but it don't matter. So I'll just give you some options. So this one, I use the postcards and literally glue it strategically just to cover the fold. I love this one with the postcard and the flower paper, and I use the cardstock, so this is quite steady. On this one, I have used only the Stampin' Up DSP, which is not cardstock. It's quite, it's in between a paper and a cardstock, so it's a bit thicker than a paper, but not as hard as a cardstock. So if you're familiar with the Stampin' Up DSP, you know what I mean when I talk about like the consistency of the paper, the thickness of the paper. So I literally just glued the postcard in here, and that's the effect. So you get one pocket there, one pocket there, one pocket there, and of course if you glue this on your journal you get another pocket. So yeah, I wanted to give you two different sizes. So they're both 3 inches, but one is 6 and one is 9, I want to say, yeah, or 8. I didn't really measure it, to be fair. So one is slightly larger. Okay, I hope I gave you some ideas, guys, and I hope you like this sort of project. I quite enjoyed playing with those, and also the postcards. If I quickly chop you one, I'm sure it did. So don't judge my fussy cut skills, and I'm just being very quick, just for the purpose of the video. But what I wanted to show you, if you print this digital papers on a thicker cardstock, so you get a postcard on a thicker cardstock, yeah, it does fit. So it fits perfectly in there as a little ephemera holder. I think it's quite cute. Okay, guys, I hope you like it. Big shout out today goes to Nancy Little. And so Nancy left a lovely comment, and I will put Nancy's comment on the screen now. She enjoyed my tea bag treat holder, and she said I solved the problem for a birthday present for a friend. Nancy, these sort of pockets can be used for the same purpose. So you can put tea bags as well if you want to. You can even put some chocolate bars or some little coffee pouches. So you don't have to use them just for junk journaling. They could be quite nice. You can either put like a gift card. You can put a white cardstock and write a message, and off you go, like a little gift pouch. So yeah, just give you some ideas. You know, my brain like works like so yeah. So yeah, just a couple of ideas. Thank you so much, everybody, from the bottom of my heart. Lots of love on the way to you guys. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider giving a huge big thumbs up, because it really helps with the growth of my channel here on YouTube, because you tell YouTube how fabulous I am and how much you love my content. So thank you. Guys, I will put a couple of links here on the screen for some projects that we made with postcards. So if you love making postcards, I will put a couple of links here on the screen, so feel free to keep watching. Thank you so much once again, guys, and until Friday, stay safe and well. Bye.